Om Vakrtunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir me sada Saṃskṛtam Dayanandam Paramartha-swarupinam Tattva-jnana-prashastaram Pranatosmi param padam Vagartha-viva sampraktau Vagartha-pratipattaye Jagatah-pitarau vande Parvati Parameshwarau Yenakshara-samam-nayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu vidvishavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Today we will begin the topic Karmani Prayoga. Already we have seen what is Kartari Prayoga and Karmani Prayoga. Karmani Prayoga, where karma is Pradhan Abhigitam. Kartari Prayoga is that where Karta is Abhigitam. The word Abhigitam we are familiar with, right? You know what is Abhigitam? What is Abhigitam? The word Abhigitam itself is derived from the Dhatu, Dha Dhat. Abhi Purvaka, Dha plus Tha Pratyaya. I mean, Nishtha Pratyaya we saw. What is Abhigitam?
Denoted.
That which is denoted is Abhigitam. So what is not denoted? That is what is important. In fact, in the Sutra Pata, there is a Adhikara, Anabhigite. Abhigitam, na abhigitam is Nanch Tat Purusha. Na abhigitam, undenoted. Denoted, undenoted. Denoted by default, that which is denoted will take Pratama. That need not be stated as a separate rule. It is understood. Only Anabhigita is talked about in the Sutra part. What is Abhigita will be Pratama Vibhakti. Whether it is Kartai or Karmani. Even Bhave, of course, in Bhave nothing is there. No Abhigitam there. What is Abhigita will be Pratama. In Kartari Prayoga, Karta is Abhigita because the very word Kartari, Kartruvachyam, Karta is Abhigita. Karta Pratama Vibhakti. In Karmani Prayoga, Karma is Abhigitam. The Karma is in Pratama Vibhakti. What about the other Karakas? In Kartari Prayoga, see, not only Karta and Karma, other Karakas also. There are only three Prayoga. Kartari Prayoga, Karmani Prayoga, and Bhave Prayoga. Bhave Prayoga is that where Karma is not there. That's called Bhave Prayoga. Bhave prayoga is karmani prayoga minus karma. So karma not being not there. And the prayoga is bhave prayoga. So 3 prayogas. So it is not that only karta and karma, other karakas are also involved. In kartari prayoga, karta alone is abhigita. The rest are anabhigita. Therefore, anabhigita karma will be dvitiya. We know karma, the object will take second case. Anabhigita karanam tritiya. Anabhigita sampradana chaturthi. Anabhigita apadana panchami. And shashti vibhakti, of course, not a karaka. At least here we can take not a karaka. It also can enjoy karaka. That's a different thing. Kattari shashti, karmani shashti also is there. But here, let us not take it as a karaka. And saptami vibhakti adhikarana karaka, anabhigita adhikarana karaka, saptami. This is kartari prayoga. Similarly, karmani prayoga also. Karma is abhigitam, therefore karma will be in pratama. The rest are karta is what vibhakti you will give it to karta. You cannot give pratama vibhakti. Problem. Because karma is abhigita, that is pratama. How can you give pratama vibhakti to karta? Not possible. So tritiya vibhakti. So anabhigita karta, tritiya. And karanam, that also will be in tritiya. So we should not confuse karta and karana. The sentence we have to see who is karta, what is karana. You have to distinguish and understand the karta and karana because both are in tritiya vibhakti. So both are in tritiya vibhakti, therefore, which is karanam and which is karta. Both are in tritiya. Both are anabhigita. Anabhigita karta tritiya, anabhigita karana tritiya, anabhigita sampradana chaturthi, like in kartari, anabhigita apadana panchami, anabhigita adhikarana saptami. And in bhave prayoga, no karma. Karmani, it is like karmani prayoga, but no karma. So karma is absent, either because the dhatu is akarmaka dhatu. Akarmaka dhatu means dhatus which cannot take karma, right? Those are, they are intransitive verbs, cannot take karma. Either the dhatus are akarmaka, because karma not there, karma not possible. Therefore, it can be in bhave prayoga only. Kartari prayoga and bhave prayoga. Karmani prayoga not possible for akarmaka dhatus. Or, yes, for a sakarmaka dhatu, bhaktuhu vivaksha. The speaker doesn't want to mention the karma. Then also bhave prayoga possible. Karma, bhave prayoga not possible. The speaker doesn't want to mention karma, minus karma. So therefore, karmani prayoga will be, you don't call it as karmani prayoga, bhave prayoga, because karma not there. So karta will be in tritiya. Other karakas will be accordingly other vibhakti. Karana will be in tritiya, sampradana, chaturthi, etc. Right? So 3 prayogas only. Suppose if karanam is abhigita, there are such possibilities. We don't have any other prayoga. Karanam is abhigita means that which is abhigita will be pratama. Karana artha is there, therefore pratama, possible. Similarly, sampradana. If it is abhigita, it is pratama. Anything abhigita is pratama, it's by default. And we have only 3 prayogas. In one prayoga, karta is abhigita, that is kartari prayoga. Karma is abhigita. Karmani prayoga and bhave prayoga, nothing is abhigita. And karma cannot be there, nothing is abhigita. So if karta is there, it will be tritiya. Okay, this is already we have seen this. So I just give the summary at the end, whatever.
Guruji?
Yeah.
You just mentioned that in Bhave Prayoga, nothing is abhihitam.
Yes.
Uh,
It just conveys pure action. That is what Bhave is.
okay. Okay.
Like the example, you can see. Okay, I think I'll just quickly go through this. So simple, we know Rama goes to the forest. Go forest. that is goes Kriya Padam. Just take the Kriya Padam first. Gachati. Kaha gachati, Rama gachati. Putra gachati, Varam gachati. So gachati has to confirm with Rama, the subject. If it is one Rama gachati, if it is two Rama gachataha, many Ramas gachanti. Right? Kriya Padam changes with the vibhakti of, with the vachanam of, sorry, not vibhakti, the vachanam of the karta, not with the vachanam of the karma, the forest. Therefore, you can say that Kriya, what is denoted by Kriya is the karta. Therefore, karta is abhigita, therefore karmani, therefore kartari priyaha. Ramaha vanam gachati kartari priyaha. Karta is abhigita. Right? So, the example, you can see, in keeping with the karta, there is the conformity in terms of vachanam, but in keeping with the vachanam of the karta. This is called thing samanadhikaranyam, we say. There is a samanadhikaranyam between the nama padam and the kriya padam. Thing samanadhikaranyam. And karma can have any, of course, it has to have only Dvitiya Vibhakti. It can have any vachanam. Doesn't have any dent in the vachanam of the kriya padam, right? Kartari priyaha, this is. So karta is abhigitam, karma is anabhigita, anabhigita karma, dvitiya, abhigita karta, pratama. So in all the above sentences, in keeping with the vachanam and the purusha of the karta, the kriya padam changes. So therefore, there is conformity of the kriya padam with the kartru padam. This karta is abhigitam. That's the meaning. Okay. So therefore, karta is abhigitam, anabhigita is karma. Anabhigitam is an ansh tat purusha. You saw how it is. Anabhigitam is formed. Na abhigitam, na means that you have to that you have to remove what? You have to remove nakara and then nutagama, anabhigita. Okay, but I have already told you.
Yep.
Kartari prayoge karta abhigitaha bhavati, abhigita karta pratama vibhakto bhavati. Then this is what the final thing is. Similarly, in karmani prayoga, okay, what about karma? Okay. What about karma in kartari prayoga? Karma is anabhigita, therefore anabhigita karma
Dvitiya.
vibhakto bhavati. Okay. Kartari prayoge karta abhigitaha, karma anabhigitam. Okay. Karmani prayoga, what will happen? Ramena palam khadyate. Same kad dhatu only. Khadyate. Ramena. Karta is anabhigita. Palam is abhigita. Therefore, in keeping with the palam is abhigita, therefore pratama. Vibhakti pratama. In keeping with the vachanam of the karma, the vachanam of the kriya padam. Pale kadhyate. Palani kadhyante. So karma is abhigita. That which is abhigita will be pratama, and karta which is anabhigita will be tritiya. Okay. Then abhigita karma in karmani prayoga pratama vibhakta bhavati. Anabhigita karta in karmani prayoga tritiya vibhakta bhavati. So this is the summary. Kartari prayoge karta pratama vibhakti bhavati, kartari prayoge karma dvitiya vibhakti. Karmani prayoge karma pratama vibhakti, karmani prayoge karta tritiya vibhakti. These things we know it very well, therefore we can note this.
Guruji?
Yeah.
Guruji, in Karmani Prayoga, it moves to Atmanepadi, is it? The Dhatu?
Yeah. Yes. Dhatu will take Atmanepadi pratyaya. That we will see.
Okay.
Yes. Even a Parasmepadi Dhatu also will take Atmanepada pratyayas.
Okay, Guruji.
Atmanepada Dhatus will take Atmanepada pratyayas. Parasmepadi Dhatus also will take Atmanepada pratyaya in Karmani Prayoga. In Kartari Prayoga, this is another difference, yes. In Kartari Prayoga, as the Dhatu is whatever it is, Parasmepadi or Atmanepadi, respectively, it will take the pratyayas. Okay. Chatraha Patam Patati, Kartari Prayoga. So by seeing the, see, if you see a Parasmepadi form, just close your eyes and say it is Kartari Prayoga. And even Atmanepada is there, then only you have to know what it is. Because in fourth Gana, that you have the Gana Vikranasyan, that there also Ya comes. Like the Mandatu, Manyate, Manyate, Manyante. Mandhatu is Atmanepadi Dhatu. Its Latlakara Rupam is Manyate, Manyate, Manyante. Now, by seeing the form, how do you know whether it is Kartari or Karmani form? Because Dhatu being Atmanepadi Dhatu, and the fourth Gana Shan will come. So Man plus Shan plus Te Manyate. Man plus Yak plus Te also Manyate. Context. You have to see the context. Watch the Karta. Man means to think, to consider. So you have to see the Karta. If Karta is in Tritiya, then it is Karmani. If Karta is in Pratama, then you have to know that it is Kartari. Okay. That's why fourth Gana is Dhatus. The fourth Gana Atmanepadi Dhatus. Generally, we will have this confusion.
Conflict.
We have to know the context. We have to find the Karta and Karma, the sentence. Now, take this example. Chhatraha patam patati. Kartari prayoga. So, Chhatraha patati. Karma, here karma is mentioned. Here karma is not mentioned. Karma vivakshayam. Karma, therefore, abhigita. Karta, even karta, suppose, even if it is not that. Patati is understood. It's somebody, third person, either you nor me, somebody, one person, and he reads now. All those information are given by the Kriyapadam. The Kriyapadam itself is a sentence. Ekating vakyam. If karta is mentioned, it will be pratama. If karma is mentioned, it will be dvitiya. In karmani prayoga, chatrena pataha patyate. Patadatu, same patadatu, which is parasmapadi dhatu. Now in karmani prayoga, I take atmanepadi pratyaya. In kartari prayoga, you can see that the dhatu taking the pratyaya, the respective pratyas, parasmapadi, atmanepadi, and also the gana vikarana, respective gana vikarana. Patadatu belongs to first group, therefore Shab. Suppose if it is fourth group, then Shan. Or sixth group, Shab. If it is ninth group, Shna. Fifth group, Shnu. All those respective Gana Vikarana Pratyas will follow. The rule is, okay, I just write here and then, you know it, but still. That is, yeah. Pat plus step, when we do form, when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Gana Vikarana comes after the dhatu. Gana vikarana is a pratyaya. Pratyaha dhatoho paraha bhavati. Sarvadhatuke pratyahe pare. Tip is a sarvadhatukam or not?
Yes, it is.
Yes. What is sarvadhatukam?
Tip the
Kingship sarvadhatukam definition. When the sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, dhatoho paraha gana vikarana pratyaha bhavati. Kartari prayoga. That is understood. Okay. Kartari prayoga. Here kartari prayoga. How do you know kartari? Because parasmapadi pratyas. Paddhatu. Suppose if I add te. Te is sarvadhatukam or adhadhatukam?
Sarvadhatukam.
It is also sarvadhatukam. There should have been any doubt. Sarvadhatuka pratyaya pare karmani. Okay, not kartari now. Karmani dhatoho paraha yak bhavati. Yak is a pratyaya. What type of pratyaya? Yak is sarvadhatukam or adhadhatukam?
Ardhadhatukam.
It is neither thing nor shit, therefore adhadhatuka. And what type of pratyaya further?
Yakarane.
Kit pratyaya. Kitvad?
Angakaryam na
Angakaryam na bhavati. Angakarya is negate. So kitvam negates. Therefore, pat plus yak plus te patyate. Right? So, yak pratyaya intervening or shab pratyaya coming because of the sarvadhatuka pratyaya. You have to note. Why I'm saying this? This is only in the context of sarvadhatuka. When an adhadhatuka pratyaya follows, this doesn't happen. Condition is only when a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, dhatoho paraha pratyaha bhavati. Kartari prayoge gana vikarana pratyaha dhatoho paraha bhavati. Karmani prayoge sarvadhatuki pratyaye pare yak pratyaha bhavati. Dhatoho paraha. Okay. Understand?
Yes, correct.
Suppose we do one adhadhatuka pratyaya. We will see. Suppose I do the lit form. What is lit? Future tense.
Syati.
Lit lakara is Ardha Dhatuka lakara.
Lakara.
So liti, then what will lapasya will come. And you are doing, suppose, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Ti will come. So Syati. Now, Dhatoho Paraha, what pratyaya is there? Sya is Sarvadhatukam, Ardhatukam,
Ardhadatkam.
Ardhatuka pratyaya. So therefore, the rule is when for lit lakara, Sya will come. That's a rule. So Ardhadatuke pratyaya pare, now Dhatoho Paraha, no pratyaya will come. Okay, whether it's Kartari or Karmani. And this is what type of pratyaya? Sarvadhatukam or Ardhadhatukam?
Ardhadatkam.
Ardhatukasya, beginning with
Sakar.
Valadipati.
Valadi. That's important.
Correct.
Ardhadhatuka means we have to immediately bring in to our mind whether it is well or not. That is important.
Isyati.
Therefore, Itagama will come. And Sya is up, Sakara is up, Pratyaya Sakara, preceded by E. Therefore, it will undergo
Chatvam.
Shatvam, Vishyati. Therefore, you get Patishyati. Therefore, the form is Patishyati. E will read. Takara plus E, Patishyati, Patishyataha, Patishyati. Here there is no Gana Vikarana, there is no Yakad. Okay. Because Adadat. That is why here, in contrast with what we said now, Sarvadhatake Pratyaya Pare, Kartari Prayoge, Gana Vikarana Pratyaya Bhavati Dhatoho Paraha. Pratyaha always Paraha. In fact, that is a Adhikara. Pratyaha Paraha Bhavati. Sarvadhatake Pratyaya Pare, Karmani Prayoge, Dhatoho Yak Pratyaya Bhavati. So here, okay, further coming back into Patishyati. Karmani Prayaga, what will be Karmani Prayaga? Patishyati, that's it, nothing happens. Simple. Patishyati is Karmani Prayaga. Pat plus, Sya plus, here Karmani Prayaga, they will come, that's it. Because it Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya, no yak business in Lit Lakara. Itagma, of course, it will come. A Shattamandal will happen. Therefore, Patishyate. So you will have here, you will have problem with Atmanepadi Dhatus. Because the form would be same. So you have to know the context. Okay. Anyway, we are not saying other Dhatuka now, just to show you.
Yeah.
The contrast with here, condition is with regard to the Sarvadhatuka Lakara. What are Sarvadhatuka Lakara? Letter, lung, lot, and ling. These four Lakaras are called Sarvadhatuka Lakara because Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows. In Lit Lakara and Ashiling and all, the Pratyaya itself is Adhadhatuka Pratyaya. Thing itself is Adhadhatuka Pratyaya. Okay. In Lit Lakara, Ashiling and all. Anyway, just a separate thing, not required for us now. Only the four Lakaras important, Lat, Lung, Lot, Ling now. And when Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, that Gana Vikarana, Yak and all will come. That's important. Okay. That's a rule. Okay. When a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, you have to bring in the Gana Vikarana if it is Kartari Prayoga or Yak Pratyaya if it is Karmani. Okay. Now, what is Bhave Prayoga? Bhave Prayoga is that where that is mainly for the Akarmaka Dhatus, which cannot take karma. Or it can be for Sakarmaka Dhatus, where the speaker has no intention to mention the karma. So, Sakarmaka Dhatu also can, be in Bhave Prayoga, possible. Not only Akarmaka Dhatu, Sakarmaka Dhatu. Kartuhu Avivikshaya, Karma Avivikshaya, Bhave Prayoga Bhavati. Bhavitam Shakyate. So Akarmaka Dhatus, intransitive verbs, since they cannot take karma, therefore, it can be either in Kartari Prayoga. Kartari Prayoga, see, any dhatu can be Kartari Prayoga, right? Can be expressed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Dhatu can have karma or cannot have karma. Possible. But no dhatus, no, cannot be without karta.
Yeah.
That is why Kartar Karaka is a primary Karaka. Any dhatu you take action. Who will do action? There must be a doer, right? Vayuhu chalati. Vayu is a doer. Whether it is Chetana or Achetana, doesn't matter. But karta is there or not?
Hmm.
Suryaha udayati. Surya is the karta. So karta is the primary factor. It is swatantraha. So karta is there. With regard to karma only is there or not, we have to know from the dhatu. Like asanam or just standing.
Sta.
Tadatu, tishtati, asati, patati. Cannot take karma, right? But patati means something false. Karta must be there or not? Subject must be there, right?
Khadati.
So must be the karta must be there invariably for all kriya. Kriya not possible without karta.
Hmm.
So kartari prayaga is invariably for all dhatu.
Dhatus.
Whereas for akarmaka dhatus, karmani prayaga not possible. Only bhave prayaga because it cannot take karma. Only bhave prayaga. So I think I have written or I will write here. Yeah, below it is there. Okay. Akarmaka dhatu cannot take karma. Therefore, akarmaka dhatu can be expressed in kartari prayaga or bhave prayaga, but cannot in karmani prayaga. Like asti. Asti, what is asti? Yeah, okay. Asdhatu. Asati, not asti. Okay, so asati loves. Asyate, asyate is bhave. Ramaha asati, ramena asyate. This is akarmaka dhatu. Or sakarmaka dhatu, karma avivakshaya. For example, kad dhatu. Kad dhatu, kadati, kartari. Kadyate, what is eaten is not mentioned. Bhave prayer. Only, therefore, bhave means it denotes only pure action. Pure action. Pure, that the dhatu artha. Dhatu artha is brought out by the bhave prayoga. So what karaka is means the pratyaya what you add to the dhatu brings out different artha. Here the pratyaya added to the dhatu brings out the karta. Karta is karta is brought out from the dhatu by the ting pratyaya. Here bhave prayoga, just pure action, bhava artha. If it is karmani prayoga, where karma is there, it brings out the karmakarakarta from the dhatu. The ting pratyaya extracts the karmakarakarta, kartrikarakarta or pure dhatu artha. That is the job the ting pratyayas do. Now, sakarmaka dhatu, suppose if it takes, what are all the prayogas possible? Sakarmaka dhatu can be in kartari, can be in karmani, can be in bhave, possible. Bhave means where karma avivakshayam, bhave prayoga bhavati. Karma avivakshayam, karmani prayoga provided if karma is abhigita, and karta, therefore karta will be anabhigitam. And kartari prayoga, karta is abhigitam, and karma is karma avivakshayam, karma will be dvitiya bhakti. And akarmaka dhatu can be only in kartari and bhave, cannot have karmani. Not possible. So akarmaka ramaha asati, kartari prayoga. Ramena asyate bhave prayoga. Just purely it brings out the action. Ting pratyaya here brings out the action of the dhatu, the kriya of the dhatu. Dhatu the dhatu artha, pure dhatu artha is brought out by the pratyaya here in bhave prayoga. Okay. So now we know what is bhave prayoga and what is karmani and what is kartari prayoga. Of course we know. Now let us see. This also we have seen. Remember, dhatu kim bodhayati vyaparam and palam. In the case of Nishta pratyaya, when we saw where we saw what is sakarma, vyapar, pala vyadikarana, vyapara vachakatvam, sakarmakatvam. This is the definition. Pala vyapara samanadikarana vachakatvam, akarmakatvam. Phala Samanadikaram Vyapara Vachakatvam Akarmakatvam. The definition we have seen. What is Phala? What is Vyapara? Vyapara is the Adhikaranam Karta. Karta as a locus in the action, and Karma is as a locus in its result. A Kriya, an action, is done and ultimately done to bring about some result, right? So Kriya is Vyapara activity. Activity brings out a result. So that result has its locus in karma, and Vyapara has its locus, because of Vyapara involves action to be done by Karta. It is its locus in Karta. So now the Phala Vyapara, Vyaparasya Adhikaranam and Phalasya Adhikaranam, if they are different locus, then it is called Sakarma. Then it's said to be Vachakatvam. It's said to indicate the status of being a Vachakatvam. The Shabda is the Dhatu. Sakarmakatvam Asti iti. Vachakatvam, the word, has the status of being a Sakarma. Here the word is Dhatu. The Dhatu is said to be a Sakarmaka Dhatu. Phala Adhikaranam Vyatata, the meaning is given here. Phala Adhikaranam and Vyapara Adhikaranam, if it is Vedikaranam, what is Vedikaranam? Na, Vedikaranam is V plus Adhikaranam. It means different. Vyapara Adhikaranam, see, Dhatu conveys two things, Vyapara and Phala. Okay, Dhatu conveys, suppose Rama goes to the forest, same example you take. Going. Where does he go? Going is a Vyapara done by the Rama. Ultimately to reach the place, forest. So Phala is forest. Vyapara is going. So these two things are conveyed by the go. Going is done to reach the place. The result is reaching destination. Similarly, cooking you take. Now you Janani, Mata, Pachati. What does he cook? Dandulam. Dandulam Pachati. What is Pachana Kriya? Pachati, Tandulam finally becomes rice. It becomes softening. That Vikliti Bhavati. It becomes rice, becomes the softening of the rice. That is what is Pachanam. That is the result, end result. And for that you have to keep on doing Pachanam, eating, boiling. That is Pachanam is, in fact, Pachana Kriya. What Pachana Kriya we cannot define. It's a set of activity, collection of activities. Similarly, Gamanam Kriya means moves. What is moving? Lifting the left leg and placing it on the ground, then lifting the right leg and then placing the ground. That is then continuous doing that. So what is particular Gamanam? Set of activities. That is Vyapara. And the result of that is you reach a place, Phala. So these two things are conveyed by the Dhatu, Vyapara and Phala. And if they have different locus, it means Vyapara has its Adhikaranam in Karta and Phala has Adhikaranam in the Karma. If they are different, then the Dhatu is said to be Sakarmaka Dhatu. Enjoys the status of being a Sakarmaka. Phala Vyadikarana Vyapara Vachakatvam Sakarmakatvam. Yata Ramaha Annam Kadati. Here, Kadana Vyap, what is eating? Tell me. Eating is, when does, first let us see, what is eating? What is eating? Have you ever thought about eating? If you do it, first eating, okay, when do you start your eating? Suppose 8 o'clock you have your breakfast. In another half an hour, suppose you have breakfast. Huh? So what is eating? Sitting at the dining table is eating. Keeping the plate on the dining table is eating. Eating has not started here. Then some idlis are served on the table. Idli and chutney. Then you see that you have not started eating. Now you extend your hand, take the idli chutney, then you take it to your mouth and you bite it, chew it, which is eating. It's a collection of activities, Vyapara. But which just we say Kadati. It involves a set of activities. That is why Swami used to say, this is Mithya. All these are, see, taking idli is now gone. And slowly taking to your mouth. So the hand has to travel. Now gone. It has to be placed in the mouth, now gone. Then you have to open your mouth. that time, that now gone. So a set of activities now, and it is gone. It is mithya. Therefore, what is kadati we cannot define. What is gachati we cannot define. What is patati also in the ninth thing we cannot define. It's a collection of activities. We see it as a group. Therefore, it's a vyapara. That's why vyapara, the beautiful word is used. Set of activities. It is done for some result. Of course, phalam will be there. Set of activities, moving, work, lifting the leg, left leg, right leg, walking, fine. You do it. You will reach a place or not. At least you will, if not for us, at least you will be midway, somewhere midway. So some places reach. So that is a phalam. Now, if they have two different locus, then it is said to be, the dhatu is said to be Saṃskṛtam dhatu. Yata Ramaha annam kadati. The kadana vyapara is the set of activities which are involved in eating. It has its locus in karta. Adhikaranam is, it is kartru ashraya. Without karta, how this is possible, right? So kartru ashraya. So, okay, fine. Eating is done for what purpose? Eating, kshudha nivritti. That is a phalam. Visible result. Perceptible result. That is a karma. That is kshudha nivritti. That is kshudha nivritti palas. That is a phalam. And that is its ashrayam. That is its dependency on annam, the karma. So, therefore, vyapara, the kadana kriya, and the phalam, which is phalasya adhikaranam, which is karma. And annam is karma. Karta is Ramaha. So, therefore, vyaparasya adhikaranam Ramaha karta. Phalasya adhikaranam, phala is its ashraya, and karma annam. Both are different. Therefore, the kad dhatu is Sakarmaka dhatu, because binna adhikaranatvad vyadhikaranam. Suppose if they are same adhikaranam, is it possible? Yes. Where in akarmaka dhatu, if you take akarmaka dhatu, Ramaha sati. Asana kriya, again here also, asana is set of activities involved. First you have to open your mouth. Opening your mouth, which that also involves slowly opening. Whether you open slowly or fast. But the mouth has to be open, right? It has to some travel from. You have to open. So vyapara and sound has to come. So set of activities are involved. Asana vyaparasya, and it has its ashraya in the karta, the doer. And what is a phalam? Phalasya adhikaranam, laughing. That is the phalam also in the karta only. That is unlike kadati, where phala is kshudha nivritti, appeasing the anger, which has its ashraya in karma. Here, what is a phalam? Same karta only. Therefore, samana adhikaranatvam asti atra phala vyaparayoho. Therefore, akarmakatvam dhatu said to be akarmaka dhatu. This is not new, already we have seen. Okay. Right? So sakarmaka, akarmaka. This is definition. This definition we can memorize. Good definition. Phala samanadhikarana vyapara vachakatvam akarmakatvam, phala vedhikarana vyapara vachakatvam sakarmakatvam. Sutra bhuta, the sentences. That explanation alone is given here. Now let us see karmani prema. We know what is sarvadhatukam, madhadhatukam. We can skip that. This is what I said. Kartari sarvadhatike pratyaya pare dhatoho ganavikarana pratyaya bhavati. Karmani sarvadhatike. Karmani is in karmani prayoga. When a sarvadhatu, the translation should be like that. Kartari means in kartari prayoga, in active voice. Sarvadhatuke pratyaya pare. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows in kartari prayoga, in active voice, ganavikarana will come after the dhatu. Karmani prayoge, in karmani, passive voice. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, yak vikarana pratyaya, not gana vikarana, yak will follow the dhatu. Pat plus yak plus te patyate. Therefore, pat dhatoho rupani patyate, patyate, patyante. So this is simple. Yak will come the common Garavikarna. Ya plus E, Ya is Adanta, right? Pat plus Ya is Patya. You will have Anga ending with what letter?
Akara.
Right? Akara. So, followed by the Pratyaya. With the Pratyaya beginning with a consonant, no problem, just add. Patya plus Te. Te beginning with Takara. So, Patya Te. Suppose with the Pratyaya beginning with the vowel, then Sandhi will happen. Ya plus Te,
Gunasan.
Ya plus Ite, Ye Te. Ya plus Ante,
Patyante.
what is Sandhi? Not Sandhi. Is it not Savana Dirgha Sandhi? Patyante,
No, Pararupasam.
Pararupa.
Pararupam. What is Pararupam?
Apadanta akara followed by guna
That's
letter.
important. Padanta, Akara at the end of not a Padam. Followed by
Guna letter.
Guna letter. Then Pura Parayavastane,
Pararupam.
Pararupam Adesha.
Which
So Patyate, Patyate, Patyante. Similarly, here beginning with the consonant, therefore Patyase. Then Ite becomes Patyete, Patyadve. Here Dve beginning with consonant, therefore Patyadve. Then Pat plus A. Here what will happen? Pat plus A.
Patye.
A plus Patye. A plus A. Will it not do with Vriddhi Sandhi? I, Patyai? No. Apadanta Akara followed by Guna, same rule. Therefore, both should be replaced by the para letter, which is Guna, Patye. Then Pat plus Vahe will become Patya Vahe.
Patyavahe. The Dirgha. Yai letter.
Yes. Dirgha, young letter
Young.
follows. Then Anga ending with Akara will get Dirgha Desha. Patya Vahe. All those things we know, right?
Yes.
Similarly, Kadyate, Kadyate, Kadyante. Ni dhatu. Niyate, Niyete, Niyante. Ni dhatu Zubepadi. Nayati, Nayata, Nayanti. Nayate, Nayate, Nayate. Both are there. But in Atmanepadi, it will be only one. Ni plus Yak plus Te. Niyate. No Guna, Angakarya. Because Kitvat, Adadatuka Pratyaya, it is Kit. So Angakarya is negated. Kam plus Yak plus Te. Gamyate. Char plus Yak plus Te. Charyate. Rug plus Yak plus Te. Rugyate. Right? And what is that to learn? All the simple only. No, there are there. Da dhatu. Kartari prayoge. Da, we know, da means dane, dan to give. Be replaced by shap pratyaya. When shit pratyaya follows, da will be replaced by yach. There is no da to yach. Okay, you will not see the dhatu kosha, dhatu pata. The yach is a adesha, in the place of dhatu. Dhatu adesha it is. So yach comes in the place of yam as well as da. So da is replaced by yach, yachati. Okay. Now in karmani prayaga, what will happen? Da plus yak plus te.
Diyate.
Yes, we have seen Dishta Pratyaya. When Kit Pratyaya follows, then Akara on the dhatu, A will be replaced by E. So therefore, Diyate. Diyate, Diyate, Diyante. Diyase, Diyate, Diyante. Diye, Diyavahe, Diyava. Pa dhatu, Kartari. Pane Arakshane. What will be the form?
Also, Ikara. P.
No. Here, Pa Rakshane will be
Kartari.
Pati, Pataha. Okay, that is different. If you say Pa means to drink, Pane, then the form is different. Okay, both because Pa dhatu as Pane in the first kana, Pa Rakshane is the second kana. So forms are different.
Yeah.
So let us take Pa dhatu here to drink, Pane. I think it must be Pane only to drink the first kana. Therefore, the form would be
Pib, replaced by Pib when followed by Ganamikarana Shap.
yes. So very good. Pibati, Pibataha, Pibanti. And Karmani Priyaha, it would be same as the previous one. Iyate. Akara dhatu will be replaced by E. Iyate, Piyate, Piyante. Gra dhatu. In Kartari, it will be Gra will be replaced by Jigra. So Jigrati, Jigrataha, Jigranti. Dhatu is not jigra. Okay, it's an akara dhatu, gra dhatu. In karmani it will be,
Dhatu Adesha.
yeah, in karmani it would be,
Gri.
a will be
Griya.
replaced by e.
Gri.
That doesn't happen. Okay. Grayate only. We'll see why it doesn't happen. Because in the rule, this is not included. Okay. Not griyate, it is grayate only. Gu, ma, sta, pa, gha. If you see, this will not be there. Gra is not there. So it is ghayate. Then grayate, sorry. Ghayate. Then stadatu. Tishtati. Adatu adesha. Kartari prayage. Tishtati. Shipratyaya follows. Dhatu adesha. Tishtati. Tishtataha. In karmani, we have seen sta will be akara.
Striyate.
Iyate.
Guvasta.
So here doesn't happen because this dhatu is not in that list of dhatus which undergoes ikara desha. Okay. Pastiyate. Not all akaranta will be replaced by e. You'll see the rules now. Drish dhatu, kartari prayahe will get the dhatu adesha.
Pashyate.
Pashyati, pashyataha, pashyanti. Now here it would be
Drishyate.
drishyate, drishyate. Dhatu is drishyar dhatu. Here is the letter. So drish is the content. That becomes pashya in kartari, pashyati pratyaya pare. Whereas in karmani, just add drishyate, drishyate, drishyate. Marjaraha mushakam apashyate. Karmani prayaha it would be
Marjarena mushaka drishyate.
not apashyate. Suddenly you are
Drishyate.
giving lang lakara.
Adesh.
Drishyate.
Adrishyata.
Adrishyata.
So what is the lang rupam of drish dhatu? So this is where our challenge lies. We'll do it. Drish plus lang will become adrishyata. So marjarena mushakaha adrishyata. Now karma is mushaka, which is abhigita pratama, and marjarena karta is in tritiya. So marjarena mushako drishyeta. So adrishyata, adrishyeta,
Adrishyata.
adrishyanta. Then adrishyetaha,
Yetaha. Adrishyetha. Adrishyata.
adrishyetam, adrishyadvam. Then adrishye, adrishya, mahi, adrishya. Adrishya, mahi. Right? So that we need to note.
When you use nishta, it becomes marjarena mushakaha drashtaha.
Drishtaha, yes. Drishtaha, drishto, drishtaha. Simple. Kartari prayaha will be drishtavan. Marjaraha mushakam drishtavan. So we know both. Bhabe prayaha kim bhavati. Udaharanam for akarmaka dhatu. Hasdhatu become hasyate. So naraha asati. What will be the bhabe prayaha? Asyate. Narena. Where is karma? Karma now cannot take. It just conveys only the meaning, the action. Dhatu artha only. Your action alone is. Okay. Narabhyam asyate only. Narehi asyate only. Okay. Now, why it is Pratama Vibhakti? Karma is not denoted. Nothing is denoted. Therefore, by default, always we take Pratama Purusha Ekavachana.
Bhava.
Similarly, when we do the Nishta Pratyaya, when karma is not there for what we do, Ta Pratyaya. No, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Okay.
Asata.
Narena Asyate. Okay. Naraha, what will be the okay. Naraha Asati? Agasat is Lang Rupam, is equivalent to Asitavan, right? Asitavan. Similarly, here also. Here it is. What will be the
Asit.
karmani?
Asita.
Hasya.
Ahasyata.
Asyata.
Not te. We are doing lang lakara, okay? Not te. No more te.
Asyata.
Hasya.
Ahasyata. What will be the Tishta?
Asita.
Ahasyata.
Asita.
Ramena ahasyata. Laughing was done by Rama. Okay.
Yes.
Arena asyate, laughing is done by Rama. Ramena ahasyata, laughing was done by Rama. That would be
Asya.
Huh?
Asitaha?
How you confirm with the surety is saying that asitaha, it is pullinga ekavachanam.
It is
Because
ta pratyaya.
pullinga,
We are adding ta pratyaya and
okay. Ta pratyaya we are adding asita, but what linga now?
Hasitam. Hasitam should be.
Always it is napumsakalinga only. When karta is pullinga, then we can say asitaha. Strilinga asita. But it cannot take karta, it cannot, in karmani prayoga, it cannot take karma at all, right?
Yes.
If karma is pullinga, then we can say karma is because abhigita, karma is pullinga, we say asitaha. But dasdhatu is cannot take karma, it's akarmaka dhatu. So where is the question of linga, then pullinga, strilinga? So by default, always it will be napumsakalinga, prathama bhakti, ekavachanam should be used. Vachanam also ekavachanam. Can you use bahuvachanam? No. Bahuvachanam means it implies there are many. That is ridiculous, right?
Okay.
Always napumsakalinga, prathama bhakti, ekavachanam. Asitam only.
then it is narena hasitam.
Yes, narena asitam. Laughing was done by Nara. Narena asitam, naraihi asitam, narabhya asitam, whatever it is.
Okay.
Asitam only. Napumsakalinga, prathama bhakti, ekavachanam should be used. No rule for it. It's all default. Understood? Similarly, if you are using a tinganta rupam, then prathama purusha ekavachanam. If you use dvivachanam, bhagavachanam, then the akanksha arises. Then the karta, it implies some doer. Two people are involved, or two karmas are involved. It cannot be two karma. Karma itself not there, what two karma? Not possible. And karta is undenoted. Therefore, it doesn't. Therefore, karta cannot decide the vachanam of the kriya pada. Therefore, by default, it is always ekavachanam. Prathama purusha ekavachanam. Even if it is you do the laughing, maya asitam only. Maya asitam, toya asitam, right? Maya hasyata, toya hasyata only. Understand? Irrespective of the purusha, it has to be akarmaka dhatu. When talking about karmani, it will be napumsakalinga. I mean, if you use nishta pratyaya, napumsakalinga, prathama bhakti ekavachanam. If you are using tinganta rupam, it will be prathama purusha ekavachanam. So maya asitam, toya asitam, tena asitam. Maya hasyata, toya hasyata, tena hasyata only. Understand? Why agasyanta, agasyete, agasyata, agasyetam? No. Dvivachan mandal cannot come. Always prathama purusha ekavachanam. Okay, for the dhatus, akarmaka dhatus in bhave prayoga. And if you are using nishta pratyaya is double derivative noun form. Use prathama bhakti, napumsakalinga, prathama bhakti ekavachanam. Okay. Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay, then. Marjaraha mushakam apashyata. Okay. Apashyata. This is just a simple lung. Marjarena mushaka adrishyata. Karmani. Marjarena adrishyata. Karma avikshayam. Adrishyata. So you can see here they are using prathama purusha ekavachanam, right? Adrishyata is equal to what is within nishta pratyaya rupam?
Drashtaha.
No.
Drishyatam.
Not drishtaha. Drishtam.
Drashtam.
Marjarena drishtam.
Drishtam.
Seeing. Done by marjara. Understand?
Yes.
The nijanta dhatu. Okay, we'll see this later. Now, you can see some of the rules. We have different dhatus, like rikara dhatu. Okay, what will be the karmani rupam of kru dhatu? Kartari rupam, you know. Kru dhatu is dukring karane, ubepadi dhatu, karoti, kuruta kurvanti, kurvate kurvate, kurvate, we know, right? Yes or no? You need to know the form, memorize. Huh?
Karmani.
Karmani, it would be
Kriyate.
kriyate. Kriyate Kriyate.
Kriyante.
What about smru dhatu?
Smaryate.
Why not there are smru becomes smriyate. Smaryate. So there are rules involved. What about tru dhatu?
Tiryate.
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 There also you see rukara dhatu become tiryate, right?
Yes.
What about pru dhatu?
Bru.
Pru dhatu
Puryate.
becomes puryate.
Puriyate. Oh.
So suppose the changes you can see happening to the dhatu based on its ending, right? That's what we are going to see. So some set of rules are there. If you know it, Karmani Prayoga is easy. Later we'll summarize everything. Okay, now we'll see the rules. Dhatu is ending in rikara. What rikara? Rasva rikara. In Karmani Prayoga, what will happen? We have a rule in Karmani Prayoga when Ekaradi Pratyaya follows. In Karmani Prayoga, the Pratyaya beginning with Ekara, right? Yak. So when Ekaradi Pratyaya follows, what type of Pratyaya is it? Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya?
Ardhadhatuka pratyaya.
Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya. Condition is, as per the rule is, sutra is, should not be Sarvadhatuka. And should begin with Ekara. When it follows the Yanga ending with Rikara, that R should be replaced by Ri. Rikara must be replaced by Ri. So therefore Kru, Ru will be replaced by Ri. Therefore Kakara plus Ri become Kri. Kriyate. Kriyate tasya yamena narchacha. Kriyate. So Kriyate, Kriyate, Kriyante, Kriyase, Kriyate, Kriyadve, Kriye, Kriyavahe, Kriyamade. What will be the lang roopam of Kriyat, Krudhatu, Karbani? Lang roopam. Okay.
Kriyata. Akarota.
Akarot is, we are doing that active voice.
Kriyata.
Asking Karmani. Okay, forget about Kartari. Okay, I'm not asking Kartari. What will be the Kriyate, 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 Kriyase, Kriyate, Kriyate, Kriye, Kriyavahe, Kriyamahe is Lat Karmani. Right? Now, Karmani, Kartari, Lat, I mean, Karmani Lat. Now, Karmani Lang, I'm asking.
Akriyata.
Akriyata.
Yes. Akriyata, Akriyata,
Kriyanta.
Akriyataha,
Akritaha.
Akriyetham, Akriyadvam. Akriye, Akriyavahi.
Akriyamahi.
How do you get all this? You know the pratyaya for Atmane, the lung pratyaya. What is the pratyaya? Atmane pratyaya. Ta. Atmanita, lung Atmanepadi. Okay. Ta.
Etam.
Anta.
Ta itam. I'm just writing the lung kartari. Okay, not karmani. Lung kartari I'm writing. Ta itam anta. Then taha itham dvam. Then
E Vahi.
mahi. Now yak is added. Yeah, it means ya. Yata. Ya plus e. Yeta. Ya plus anta.
Yanta.
Yenta.
Yanta.
Then ya plus taha. Yataha.
Taha.
Ya
Yeta.
plus e.
Tham.
Yetha. Ya plus dvam.
Yadvam.
Yadvam. Ya plus e.
Ye.
Ye.
Ya plus vahi. Ya vahi.
Ya Vahi.
Yam.
Yamahi. Now you make it. Atagama will come. Akriyata. Akriyetam. Akriyat. Simple. Akriyataha. Akriyetham. Akriyadvam.
Akriyatvam.
Akriye. Akriyavahi. Akriyamahi. This is Karmani Lang, right?
Lang.
What will be the load?
Tam.
First, we have to find out the load, Kartari load form. What is the Kartari load form? Tam,
Atam.
Kartari. Okay.
Atam.
No. Okay, I'll remove yeah, then we can add Tam. Atmanepadi form we require. Okay.
Tam,
Tam,
Itam,
itam,
tam,
antam. Then
Tam,
swa,
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 Itam,
itham,
Itam,
dvam.
then
Dvam.
dvam. Then
I
I,
I Av,
Amahe, amahe.
a, vahai.
Amahe.
Always take Atmani because we are doing Karmani. Atmanepadi, general, Kartari load form you take, then you add ya becomes Karmani. Now you add ya, yatam,
Yetam.
yetam,
Yetam.
Yantam.
then
Yasva.
yasva,
Yasva.
Yetam.
Yetam.
yetam,
Yadvam.
Yadvam.
then a plus I, what's in the?
Yai.
Yai.
What's in the a plus I? Vriddhi only, what else? Okay, Vriddhi. Yai, ya vahai.
Yavahai, Yamahai.
Yamahai.
Now what will be the Krudatoho, Karmani, load rupam, Kriyatam,
Kriyatam.
Vedo
Kriyatam.
Nityamadhiyatam, these all, right? All are Karmani load. Adhiyatam, Karma Swanushtiyatam, right? Adhiyatam. So Kriyatam, Kriyetam, Kriyantam, Kriyasva, Kriyetham, Kriyadvam, Kriyai, Kriyavahai, Kriyavahai. Right? Now, Ling Atmanepadi. What is the Kartari form? Ita. Yeah. Ita. Ita. Yes, correct. Ita. Iyatam. Iran.
Iran.
Then
Itaha.
Itaha.
Iyatam.
Idvam.
Idvam.
Idvam. Then
Iya.
Iya.
Ivahi.
Ahi, Imahi.
Imahi.
Iman. So E is there everywhere. So yeah, when you heard, what will happen? Gunasanti. A plus E, Yeta.
Eta.
Yeta, Yeyatam.
Yeyatam.
Yeran.
Eran. Eta.
Yetaha.
Yethaha.
Yeyatam.
Yeyatam.
Yedvam. Yeya.
Yeya. Yevahi.
Yevaki.
Yemahi.
Now do the Kriyeta.
Kriyeyatam.
Kriyeyatam.
Kriyeran.
Kriyeran. Kriyethaha. Kriyeyatam. Kriyetvam.
Kriyedvam.
Kriyeya.
Kriyevahi.
Kriyevahi. All the four lakaras. We have the karmani form. By default, we take a lat lakara because it is easy. But you have to practice. So you can remember this. This is there actually in the file, what we chant, I'll show you. That you can memorize. As we know, the pratyaya. Here it is. Yate yete yante yase yete yedve ye yavahi yama. Yata yetam yantam yathaha yetam yedvam ye yavahi yama. Yatham yetam yantam yasva yetam yedvam ye yavahi yama. Yeta yeyatam yeran yetaha yeyatam yedvam ye yavahi yamahi. The karmani link. Okay.
Request Guruji. Could you please send this document, Guruji?
This forms.
This forms, Guruji.
Sent it.
Thank you.
So let us take the next dhatu. So you take it as a homework, do for all the four lakaras, Atmanepadi, Karmani Rupa. Karmani let, Karmani lung, Karmani lot, and Karmani lin. Okay, Hridhatu. Again, this is a Rikarada dhatu. This is a rule, 7428. Ring Adesha. Ring means re, content is re. Shak. Here you can see Sha, not Shak, Sha. Yak, this is what is yak, our yak is. What sandhi has happened here? Yak plus ling shu. What sandhi? Jasha Sandhi, yak plus. This is Sandhi. Okay, yak is a padam. Yak will be kakara replaced by kakara. So this is what is required. Yak link shu saptami. So when yak follows, okay, re adesha will come. Content is re only. This is adesha. When adesha will come where? Stan is ritaha. Ritaha means rikara dhatu. When does it happen? When asarvadhatuke e yakaradi pratyaya, that's yak is yakaradi pratyaya, right? Follows adesha happen will for angasya ritaha. Anga ending with rikara will get the adesha. Riyadesha when followed by a pratyaya which is not a sarvadhatuka, our case is sarvadhatuka, and that should be beginning with yakara, yes, yakaradi. Okay, the meaning is when yakaradi pratyaya, when yakaradi asarvadhatuka pratyaya, should not be sarvadhatuka. When yakaradi asarvadhatuka pratyaya follows rikaranta anga, rikarantasya angasya antima varnasya rikarasya. You have to say completely. Rikaranta anga means not the whole anga will be replaced. Problem, huh? Last letter of the anga, which is a rikara, that will be replaced by re. Therefore, kru becomes kri, ru becomes re. Riyate, right? Ru becomes riyate. Mru becomes yate, mriyate. So mriyate, mru becomes mriyate. Karmani. Mriyate, mriyate, mriyate. Dhr, dhriyate. Dhr, dharana poshta yoko. Br, this is also same meaning. Dharanam, briyate. Sr, flow. Sriyate. Nadi sarati. Saryate, sorry, Sriyate, Nadi Sarati, river moves, river flows, right? Nadya is Sriyate. Okay, then Dhatus ending in Rikara, you see now, preceded by conjunct consonant. That's you can see here, preceded by what letter? Preceded by a consonant only. But here, preceded by a conjunct. Here, Mrudhatu you take, Smrudhatu. The Rikara preceded by a conjunct. Therefore, here should not be replaced by re. Then what should be replaced by ar? Therefore, smr is replaced by ar. Therefore, smar, smaryate. Ridatu, ru is ruchati, gamanam, gatau, aryate. Str, staryate. So this is by this rule. Yaki, lingi, and yakaradi, yak follows. Ritaha, asarvadatukasya. When asarvadhatuka pratyaya yakara, the pratyaya follows angasya, ritaha, what will become? It will be replaced by ar. When sanyogadyogo, when it is preceded by a conjunct consonant. So rikaranta dhatu preceded by a conjunct will be replaced by ar and followed by asarvadhatuka pratyaya beginning with yakara. That's a rule. So you can know the difference between these two, right? So you have to watch the preceding letter. If it is a consonant, then Rikara should be replaced by her. Okay, then Dhatu ending Rikara, what will happen? Rikara will be replaced. First general rule is Rikara, no nimitta. Rikaranta Dhatu will get ir. Not a ir actually, it is ir only, just e. Ritaha it Dhatu, not e. Okay. But I think I have done here for a purpose, I think so. The whole document, I don't remember why I did like that. Maybe for some, will become dirga. Okay, anyway, ikara adesha only will come by the rule. Short e only. So, through plus, no nimitta here. All rikara anta dhatu, dirga rikara anta dhatu will get the adesha. In fact, e only adesha. What is when e replaces r, what will be appended to e?
Repa will be appended.
Repa.
When does it happen? You have seen that. Wherever we see rikara getting adesha, rikara, short or long, get an adesha. What is an? A, E, U.
You.
Any of the letters, Anadesha. Then Repa will be appended to it, right? In fact, Gunasandhi and all we have seen, right? Ar, in Gunasandhi. Brahma plus Rishi, Brahmarshi, how do you get? A plus R, Pura Parayoga Sthane. Guna will come, right? Then Rikara is replaced by A, therefore Ar, right? Similarly here also, here. You follow?
Yes.
So therefore here. Only here only, not here. The Dirghatam happens because of some other rule. So Tru Dhatu now, Tru Dhatu, okay. Tru Dhatu plus Yak plus Te, Tru Dhatu by this general rule. Here no nimitta, okay. Nothing causes Iradesha. It has to be done. Then first is, it becomes Tir. Iradesha comes. Now what will happen? You know that I think I taught you the rule. Here what happens, you tell me. Shabda and all I have seen, in many places we have seen this.
Dirghatam.
The Tir plus Yak. Tir is a dhatu. Tru is replaced by Yir. Then what is this Tir? Is it a dhatu or not?
It is.
A portion of the dhatu is changed. Dog's tail is cut. It's a dog or not? Dog
Yes.
only. Continues to bark. Similarly here also. Because Ru is replaced by Yir, it will not become something else. It is dhatu only. So Tir is a dhatu. Dhatu ending with?
Repa.
Then what is the rule? I'm just helping you by saying that. Dhatu ending with Rikara. Sorry, Repa.
Upada Dirghatvam Guruji.
When followed by a consonant. Or at the end of the padam. Upada ik letter will become Dirghaha. We have seen this rule before somewhere else. I think I don't remember where. In the case of, of course, in Nishta Pratyaya itself, we have seen this rule. This is in Tripadi, this rule. Okay. You understand the rule? That is, dhatu ending with repa. When followed by a consonant, then its upada will get what? Dirghatvam. Not only for repa, even for vakara. Oh, you know it, yeah. I'll say you. You have seen fourth gana dhatu, right? Devdhatu.
Divya.
How does it become divyati? What is the gana vikarana pratyaya? Shan. Fourth gana, shan. Dev plus shan plus ti. What should be the form? Dev plus ya plus ti. It should be divyati, right? But it is not the form.
Yes, Divya.
Dev is a dhatu ending with vakara, when followed by a hal, then upada, letter will get dirghadesha, right?
Yes.
So either vakara or repa. The same rule here also. Dhatu ending with repa, followed by a consonant, then upada get dirghatvam. If you know divyati, same thing here also. Similarly, siv dhatu also we have seen sivyati. So all those things, the divadigana we have seen. Do you remember? I know it's difficult to remember. Remember, it is good. Otherwise, also it's good. Go and you can check later. Rubo Rupadayaha Dirgaha Ikaha. At the end of the padam are followed by. This will happen. Even I'm not sure whether I taught you Gir Shabda. Gir Shabda did we do? If not, also it's okay. Gir plus Su. What is the form? Repa. This is a padam. Padam or not? Gir plus Sup. Supratyaya. 7-3. 7-3 this is. Okay. Gir plus Sup. Gir is a padam. Pada ending with Repa. Now, this is from a dhatu. From the quip. Actually, Gir the form. It is derived from a dhatu. Guru dhatu by adding quip pratyaya. Quip has 0 suffix. Okay. Therefore, by the same rule, Rikara replaced by Ir. So this Guru will become Gir. So this is a Pratipadikam now. Because Krit Pratyaya, Quip Pratyaya added to the dhatu Guru, by which we get Gir. Gir means Shabda. Giram Asmi, Omkaraha, comes in Gita, right? Giram. Gir Shabda declines, Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachana. Now that Gir Shabda, Repanta Shabda, Srilinga Shabda, when you decline, Saptami Bhakti Bhagavachanam, Gir plus Sup, where Gir enjoys Padam. Padante kimasti repa asti. Gir
Repa.
also, gir is enjoys dhatutvam because dhatutvam na jagati. Pibantaha dhatutvam na jagati. You know that. They do not give up its dhatutvam. So it is both a dhatu as well as it's a padam. And at the end of the padam, we have repa, therefore preceded by e, short e, that becomes dirga, or gir, plus su.
Gears.
Understand?
Yes.
After that, what will happen? Okay, this is extra. This is not connected to this. After that, tell me what will happen.
Repa becomes sakara, sakara.
Repa becomes sakara. How does repa become sakara?
Is it not?
Irshu.
Going one backward, Guruji. One step backward.
Repa, no, backward is not repa. Repa only is, there is no sakara, in fact. Where is sakara? That's what I get the Vitpatti here. Guru plus skip becomes gir.
Issue.
The repa has not come in the place of sakara at all here. Okay.
Okay.
That's what now I'm asking. What will happen?
It's not
Huh?
Adesha sakara. Okay.
There is no adesha sakara at all.
Okay.
Sarga.
What will happen?
Shatvam will happen. Right?
Sorry?
Shatvam will happen.
Shattam will happen later. But before that,
He should.
repa followed by kar letter. Repa
Yes.
followed by kar letter. Therefore, repa will be replaced by
Sakara. In this case, sakara.
sakara, visarga, right? Karavasana yoga visarjaniya.
Hmm.
Not be replaced by
He should.
visarga. First we have to do that, right?
Hmm.
Repa when, what does it happen? Repa when followed by kar letter. Repa when followed by kar aravasana will be replaced by
Sarga.
Visarga.
Tavasai.
visarga,
Sarga.
right? After that,
He should.
what will happen?
It can remain as it is, or it can be replaced by sakara.
Sorry?
The visarga when followed by sa, it can either be replaced by sakara or remain as it is.
I'm not sure whether you have seen, but this is an important thing. If you see here, in the repa when followed by kar letter avasana will become visarga. That's a general rule, right?
Mm.
There is another rule which says ro, that is ru, when followed by sup will become visarga. Have you seen that? Not sure.
No, Guruji.
Okay, I'll write here for you like this. See, repa when followed by kar or avasana, what will happen?
Visarga.
Sarga.
Repa when followed by kar or avasana will be replaced by,
Sarga.
I'll delete this, you have to note it later for the recording or whatever it is.
Yeah.
This is, just I'm writing the number for the sake of that you have to know this is a separate, there is a separate sutra for this. Okay. Karavasana ego visarjaniya. Okay. Then we have another rule. That is room. What is room? Room it means repa.
Repa.
No, content is repa only. Room when followed by sup. Sup is Savantri. Saptami Viti Bhagavachana Pratyaya. Sup will become repa. So will become visarga. Will be replaced by visarga. Will be replaced by visarga. There is another rule. That is ru. Ru is nothing but a repa when followed by sup. What is sup? What is
Saptami Bhavati.
Savantri.
Hmm.
Saptami Bhakti Bhagavachana Pratyaya Sup Pratyaya. And followed by sup. It will be replaced by visarga. This is another rule. In fact, this is the rule immediately following 8350. Now just see this rule. First rule says, we know it very well. Repa, any repa, right? Repa means what repa? Repa which comes in the place of Sakara,
Sakara.
or the Repa like here, Repa comes naturally, it is Adesha Repa or Avya Repa, right? Any Repa. See, we have different types of Repa, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Repa comes in the place of Sakara, that is in the form of room, number one.
Yeah.
That's what we call Sakara Stanika Repa, right? Sakara Stanika Repa. This is one type of Repa. Another Repa is Swabhavika Repa. Under Swabhavika Repa,
Like Punaha.
Repa, we have like Antar, Punar, etc. Avyaya, right?
Hmm.
Another type of Repa is under Swabhavika itself, we can include this also. This is Swabhavika. Or you want to distinguish, you can say Adesha. Adesha Rupa Repa, whatever it is, right? Because here the Dhatu ending with Ru getting Repa, or Adesha, therefore Repa, right? So Adesha Rupa. So in fact, these two can be put under one. That Swabhavika Repa means it includes Adesha Repa, let us say. Okay. These two are only, we don't want to make it a three division, I'm confused. So just two. That is Repa which comes in the place of Sakara, or Repa which is naturally there, as like the Abhyaya, or the Repa has come in the, as in the case of the Dhatu, the Rikara on the Dhatu, Adesha, Iradesha. Now, Repa followed by Kara Avasana, when we say, what Repa you tell me? Is it Sakara Stanika Repa or Swabhavika Repa?
Any Repa.
Any Repa. Any Repa when followed by Kara Avasana will be replaced by Visarga. It's a rule. Please check your Sandhi and other Shabdas and all we have done. You would have seen. Any Repa when followed by Kar or Avasana will be replaced by Visarga. Okay. Understand? Is there any doubt? Dividing the Repa into two. One is Sakara Stanika Repa, where Sa, that is Pratyaya Sakara, right? Replaced by Ru, therefore Sakara Stanika Repa. And second one is Swabhavika Repa. Like the Avya Repa or the Repa which has come in the place of the Kru, as Adesha form. Any Repa, you take it. When followed by Kar or Avasana will become Visarga. Then why do we need this rule? Tell me. There is also a rule, another sutra, another rule is there. Ru Repa, when followed by Sup, will be replaced by Visarga. Is this not covered under 8350? This rule? Yes or no?
Because Sup is a Prachaya, Guruji. Whereas
Doesn't matter. Here we say Kar letter when followed by Kar. It's a Kar, Sakara, Kar letter. It's okay. When followed by Sup, when followed by Kar. Huh?
That is Dhatu and this is Pratipadikam, Guruji.
Any Repa when we say whether Dhatu or Pratipadikam doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
Important thing is we are missing here. Very obvious. It's written there. What is that important thing? I've written the important thing that you can see.
Ru is Vugitanta, isn't it? Repa,
Okay.
Ru.
No, Vugitanta and all not required. Don't worry about Vugit. What is the
Ru
why
is
you need to drop
Visarga.
it? The cursor itself is that is the reason. Here we are saying only Ru Repa alone will become Visarga when followed by Sup. The sutra says, this rule says, Ru Repa alone. Within bracket I have written Repa means Ru is Hithaleta, the content is Repa. That Repa which is born of Ru alone will be replaced by Visarga when followed by Saptami Bhakti Bhagavachana.
That means Prachaya Sakara.
It means what? It means
Prachaya
forget about the Pratyaya now. That just focus on Ru. Ru just come in the place of Sakara only. That Ru only. Ru Repa alone will become Visarga when followed by Sup. Huh? What is it? No. I myself have said this is the reason. Ru Repa alone will become Visarga means what? Swabhavika Repa will not become Visarga. That's the rule. Ru Repa alone will become Visarga when followed by Sup. This Swabhavika Repa will not become. Here Swabhavika Repa is there. Therefore, don't replace it by Visarga.
Oh.
It has to be Gir only. Repa alone will be there. Because Repa follows. Now you can do Shatvam preceded by intervened by Repa. right?
Yes.
So,
So Guru, this is exception to 8315 then.
not exception. This is limiting the application of 8315 to a particular thing. It's called Niyamana Sutra. This rule restricts the scope of Repa when followed by Sup only to Ru Repa, not any other Repa. Not exception. Exception means something, some other Adesha should come. Then we can say exception. This is limiting the application of 8350. Such type of rules is called Niyamana, restriction. So therefore, Girshu is a Rupa. So the Repa will not become Visarga. Don't apply 8350. Karavasana Visarjaniyaha. Because the next sutra limits the application only to Ru Repa and particularly Sup. Where is the Sup only, right? 7-3. That's what we are doing. Follow. So Girshu is a Rupa. Saptami Bhakti of Gir Shabda is Girshu. So Repa will not become Visarga. Understand? Whereas in the case of let us take Manas plus Sup, for example. Manas is a Padam. So Padanta Sakara. Sakara will be replaced by Ru, right?
Yeah.
Ru is something. Here you can say Ru. Manar plus Sup. Here we can replace Manar by Repa by Visarga. Then Visarga followed by Sakara. Therefore, Visarga can be replaced by Sakara. Therefore, Manasu. Further. Here we can see Visarga. In contrast, here it doesn't happen. Because this is Ru Repa. Understand?
This was the Sakara that I was talking in the previous example, Guruji. Manassu, like Grishu, something like that.
No. Yeah, that doesn't happen. Okay.
Grishu.
This is incidental, not quite for us. I just sent it to your group. You can have a, you note it somewhere.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. I think we'll stop here.
Samuel,
Okay. My mother says, look at me, how beautiful I look. Why? Because Chennai is boiling. She is from the kitchen. Sweating, she comes. Okay. So we'll stop here, right? So therefore, this Tru becomes Repa followed by Yak, and this E becomes Tirgyate. Okay. Okay, this example why I gave Girshu, that is the example. Okay, that's where I started, and incidentally, this Visarga Desha came. Okay, please don't miss the main point. Main point is here. The preceding will take Dirga. That is the rule we are seeing. Incidentally, I remember that Girshu, where the Visarga Desha comes in the place of Repa, is not applied. So that is an incidental thing. So focus here, back here now. Repa followed by the Repa of the Dhatu. This is Repa and the Dhatu now. Tru is replaced by here. Repa and the Dhatu followed by a Hal, a consonant. Then preceding it will become Dirga. So for Tiryate. Stru becomes Tiryate. Kru becomes Kiryate. Jru. Vayohano. From that only we get Jara and all. Jiryate. Gru Dhatu. In fact, from this Dhatu only we get Gir Shabda. Repa and the Shabda. Gir means words. Giryate. Dru.
Gir means what, Guruji?
Huh?
Gir means what?
Shabda, words.
Oh.
Giramasmi, Ekaksharam comes. Giram among the words. And the Ekaksharam Omkaraha iti. One says in Gita. So, Gir, words. Dru become Diryate, right? Okay. These three alone, you know it, then rest we'll see in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Guru Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavad, Guruji.
धन्यवाद
Guruji.
गुरुजी।
I have one more doubt, Guruji, not about the lesson. The
Yeah.
documents that you are sending us, I wanted to save them into Word documents so that if
I send it
need-
only Word document. I send all Word as
I'm not
first.
able to save them as Word document, Guruji. They are like it's not showing as PDF, but I'm not able to go and insert something like sometimes I add Telugu script to get my
I don't
header,
know how to.
but
do that,
I'm not able to edit them. That's